some big shot. So I'm bound to come. So I said, like, kindly, like, tell me who is he? Then, like, he said, like, I have to, like, I am bound because I'm in duty.
When someone opened the gate, did you know that they were police?
They were not aware.
Then?
They were not aware.
Did you get any appointment that they were coming
That is what. We were not aware, and then we were fast asleep. Then I got so shocked. Then I was asking, like, I thought, like, they were, like, with good intention they came. Then I was entertaining them, and then I went to get a water for them in the kitchen. When I went there, like, 4 or 5 of them, the police personnel, they were, like, torching on my eyes. And then, like, see, this is how, you know, like, the
flashing light.
Yeah, flashing light on my eyes, and then, like, I got so scared, and then, like, I came and, like, asked what happened. Then, like, he started, like, asking, like, you know, like, to contact my husband. So, like, what is the reason, what the purpose, I wanted to know. And, like, he started, like, ordering to tell his boys to go for house search and all. So, like, till then, like, I've been asking for house, you know, like, the documents. Where is the search warrant? But this is not the way the law function.
Yes.
You see, in the past, we've been, like, dealing with such unacceptable guests, and, like, the cases are still lying in the court, all bogus, no substance. I'm openly saying no substance at all. And, like, today also repeating the same thing.
They are the guardian of the law, so I think they should first obey the law.
And, like, we have been tolerating this because, you know, like, we have been a good citizen so far, till now also. And, like, I'm trying to tell him, if there is any misunderstanding, kindly provide us the documents.
लोकेशन ये थे लोकेशन ये थे दे आपको कैसे ये तो नंबर बताइए उसको जैसे लोग
Also, in a recent time also, like, we have